this episode, we're going to be going over how to plant seeds inside of the hanging bottles. Materials you will need are topsoil and seeds. We have basil, parsley, and mixed flowers, but you can use whatever easy-to-grow herbs or flowers you would like. Our first step is to fill the bottles about 2/3 up with topsoil. The next step is to sow the seeds on top of the soil. For this step, you are going to want to make sure you are reading the specific instructions on the back of the seed packet, but generally you will sprinkle the seeds on top, sprinkle a thin layer of soil on top of the seeds, and gently firm the top layer of soil. Lastly, we want to hang the garden in a sunny spot outside and make sure we are keeping the soil evenly moist. But again, make sure you check the specific sunlight and water requirements on the back of the seed packet.